Welcome back to another episode of DIY or Die. Today we're checking out one of these uninterruptible power supplies, see if we can fix it. So let's get started here. Start with the case. Just trying to figure out here what we're gonna do next. So there we are. Now we're just simply sliding off the case. It's catching something here. Perfect. Alrighty. Now this was from a restaurant. It was used for a it was used as a battery backup for when the power went off for the POS system. So I don't know. They said it didn't work, but let's plug it in and try it. This has the flashing codes here. So this says, according to this, we have AC present and the battery is charging. That's all it says. No fault codes. So appears to be working. I'll be back. We're going to see if I can get a light to test this thing out with. Here we go. We got ourselves a cheapo light, LED, and let's plug it in here. Come on, get in there. There we go. And it works. As you can see, it's on. And we shall see if I unplug it, what it does. Well, did not like that. Ooh. Let's get this battery out here. Alright, so this is the battery that came out of it. It does say it should have been replaced a little bit more than a year ago. So that might be the cause. It might just not be able to keep up with the current. The voltage drops and then it just dies out. So I will hook up this lawn traffic battery, which I know is good, to these, and we'll see what happens from there. I guess I'll be back here. Well, I got this all hooked up, and not much is really going on with this guy. These are the two buttons, and it is plugged in, but I'm not even getting any error lights or beeps. Here we go. Okay, she's on now. Fault, it's saying. We're getting a flashing red. Flashing. Okay, we're getting an on, an AC, and a no battery indicator. This ought to be why. Let's try that. Lose connection here. Perfect. It's charging the battery now. So in theory, if this works, if I was to, because this battery is already charged, so if I unplug this, look at that. Works just fine. It tells me we need a new battery. So it's a simple fix, right? Actually, these are about $500 units, brand new, and all we need is a new one of these. So here's a lesson to all you guys out there. If you ever get your hands on one of these guys and they don't work, or the business that gave them to you or wherever you got them from said they don't work, all I suggest you do is just splice into battery connector here. This is where the battery usually goes down there. Hook up a good battery, 12 volts, unless it's a 6 volt system or 24 or whatever. Hook up the right voltage battery. Hook it up like that, splice it in, turn it on, give it a load, and then unplug it. And look at that. No power in. Works just fine. Now this is only a, I think this is like a, I don't know, 200 some volt amp unit. It's pretty tiny. It's only like a couple hundred watts, but yeah, this will be good for, I'll try it on my little 3D printer here. I'll show you, make a video of that here, and I'll also make another video here of changing the battery out and seeing how well it works. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.